A monsoon has wreaked havoc across several hill stations, including Himachal Pradesh. There has been a cloudburst that has severely impacted the Kullu-Manali highway. There's substantial damage which is being reported, and many portions of this road have been completely washed off. In Kullu, landslides have compounded the situation. They have disrupted and even isolated multiple regions. In Shimla, the Indian Army swiftly responded by constructing a temporary bridge to facilitate emergency access. Spiti Valley also reeling from the impact. In fact, the National Disaster Response Force is engaged in relocating the civilians, including infants and pets, to safer locations. If we speak about the state of Uttarakhand, particularly about Kedarnath, the NDRF teams are actively involved in rescue operations. They have started evacuating the pilgrims and have started making sure that they reach safety locations as soon as possible. In fact, watch this story which is coming in from the Kullu-Manali highway, which has been filed by my colleague Asim Bassi today. Take a look.
The cloudburst in Himachal Pradesh has left behind ugly scenes. Not only human loss has happened, but major infrastructure loss has also taken place. We are at the Kullu-Manali highway, and you can see how this road has been totally broken off by the Byas river. This is the National Highway 3, the Kullu-Manali highway, and when the cloudburst took place in Solang Valley, the water came in a very voluminous manner, and it came with a lot of force, and it swept away this National Highway 3, part of which goes to Kullu-Manali. And you can see that this is the Byas river which flows along, and this Byas river was so threatening the other day, 2 days back when the cloudburst took place, that it has broken the national highway from many parts. We have some people also who will narrate us that how this happened and what this led to, this kind of a damage here. हाँ जी, क्या नाम है आपका?
यशपाल है।
यशपाल जी, आप वशिष्ठ में रहने वाले हैं, इस हाईवे के ऊपर रहते हैं। ये क्या हुआ जिससे हाईवे ही टूट गया पूरा?
ये एक्चुअल में जी आरसीसी नहीं था, बिल्कुल सिंपल दीवार था, वो टूट गया। जहाँ जहाँ आरसीसी है वो बिल्कुल बच गया जी। हाँ जी।
तो डर का माहौल है उसके बाद?
बिल्कुल जी, बिल्कुल अभी भी डर का माहौल है जी, कभी भी आ सकता है, दोबारा ये जा सकता है जी। ग्रेफ कोच ये बिल्कुल आरसीसी यहाँ पलचान से लेकर ना जी ये मनाली पुल तक बिल्कुल आरसीसी होना चाहिए, अदरवाइज ये तो सिंपल डंगे तो नहीं टिक सकता है।
पिछले साल भी आपने तबाही देखी थी, अब देखी, अभी क्योंकि अभी भी मौसम वैसा ही है।
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल जी। हाँ जी।
तो बारिश अभी भी हो रही है थोड़ी?
हाँ जी, अभी 3 दिन तक हाई अलर्ट है जी। हाँ जी, आज 90% आज।
तो किस तरह का एहतियात रखते हैं हम रात को? किस तरह का
एहतियात का? हम 3 दिन से सोए नहीं है, देखो जी। हाँ जी, 1 तारीख से बिल्कुल नहीं सोए, इतना जबरदस्त हुआ, डर का माहौल है।
So it is difficult time for the people here, and they say that they haven't slept for the past 3 days because there's a lot of risk and there's high alert for the next 3 days, and such kind of damage definitely scares the people living close to these highways. From Bashist with camera person Girish, this is Asim Bassi, India Today.